What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy King Abe back with another amazing video for you guys. Back with another banger. So, guys, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys one of my strategies. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can make $300 per day using this strategy. So, without further ado, make sure you guys like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel down below so you guys don't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, guys, so here we go. So we actually right now looking at here JPY. This is one of my favorite pairs to trade, and we on the 4 hour time frame, as you guys can see. So now, to use this strategy, what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to add 50 EMA. We're gonna add our 50 EMA, and we change the settings. We change the length to 50 EMA, and then I'm gonna change my color to black because I have a white background, and I'm gonna change the thickness, and I'm done. And if you guys don't know that when you have the moving average on your chart, when price is below the moving average, you'll be looking for sell opportunities, and when price is above the 50 EMA, you'll be looking at buying opportunities. So you buy long above the 50 EMA, and then you sell short above below the 50 EMA. Now that I got that out the way, we're gonna add another indicator. This time around, we're gonna add the awesome oscillator. We have that there right now, but I need to change the settings just a little bit. I'm gonna change my thickness so you guys can see it clearly, and I'm done with that. So now, if you guys look at this, I'm going to explain how you guys use this. So when the histogram, if it's red, it indicates sell, and if it's green, it indicates buy. So when the histogram is below the zero line, this is your zero line right here. This is your zero line, as you guys can see it right here at the far right hand corner. That's your zero line. So these red bars you guys are looking at, it indicates sell. And if I pull out my plus tool right here, you guys can see that it's actually accurate. So when this graph is facing down, that means it's below the zero line. So you'll be looking at sell opportunities. You'll be looking to sell short, and when the histogram is above, you guys see these bars, it's above the zero line, you'll be looking to buy long. So you'll be looking for buying opportunities. So if I pull out my tool again, and you guys can see right here. So that's actually how you use the awesome oscillator. Now we're gonna have to add one more indicator, and we're gonna actually add the alligator, Bill Williams alligator. We're gonna add that, and we also need to change the settings. We're just gonna change this thickness. We're gonna leave everything as it is. Just need to change the thickness. Now we have everything that we actually need. So what we have to do now, you do not place a trade based on just these indicators alone. You have to do your own analysis as well. And to be able to do that, to be able to draw your support and resistance, you switch your chart, you switch it to a line chart so you can be able to see everything clearly. So now we just look for our pullbacks for support and resistance. We just look for our pullbacks, We look for pullbacks for support and resistance as well. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to switch back to my candlesticks. I'm actually using Hikinashi right now. As you guys can see, price is actually consolidating over here. So we have another zone right there because we have multiple rejections right there, and the market is still open right now. As you guys can see, based on what we're looking at right now, so there's a possibility that either JPY is gonna sell, and you guys can see the Instagram. As you can see, there's green bars in between the red. That signifies consolidation. It means it's consolidating. So now when you want to place this trade, so you guys see this green line, these alligator lines, these three lines is like moving averages. So it's kind of like using 20, 50, and 100 EMAs, but this is not, that's not what this is. So when price is below this green line, it means you should enter the market for a sell, and you have to make sure it actually crosses the other two lines, which is the blue and the red line. Once that happens and the green line crosses, then you place your trade for a sell. And when it's for a buy, you have to make sure the green line crosses the other two lines, and it's also above the 50 EMA for a buy and below the 50 EMA for a sell. And you have to make sure these three lines is wide open before you place that trade, just like this zone right here, and right here for this sell, and right here for this buy. And when this alligator indicator, this blue, red, and green lines, when it's so close like this, when it's kind of like intertwined, that shows consolidation, just like what you guys are looking at over here. That's how you know that the market is actually consolidating right here. But my prediction is that EURG, because the market is still open right now. I'm doing this video on a Tuesday at 12:56 a.m. So I actually believe Euro JPY is definitely gonna sell. So if it closes below my support right here, I'm gonna enter this trade for a sell, and this is gonna be my TP1, my TP2, and my TP3, because I'm actually, if it closes below this zone right here, I'm expecting market to eventually get to this zone, and if not this zone, probably TP2. So that's how you use this strategy, guys. It's very simple, as long as you know how to find your support and resistance, how to find your zone. This strategy becomes very easy for you. Like I said earlier, you do not enter the market based on indicators alone. Indicators are just there to help you and guide you. When you have your zones marked out and you know when to enter the market, then you definitely gonna be safe. So I'm just going to recap real quick. And if you guys have any questions about this strategy, make sure you guys follow me, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video if you can, because as we all know, sharing is definitely caring. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. My links is going to be down below, and you guys can also see it on the screen right now. You can also, you know, ask me questions on there on my Facebook or on my Instagram. I'll be happy to answer every single question whenever I can. So guys, looking at this, you guys will definitely see that Forex is very simple. It's not complicated at all. You just have to, learn the skill set, because this is actually a skill set. And as you guys can see, I mean, I already have my zones already. So even if price decides to go the other way and closes above my resistance zone right here, because as you guys can see, it touched it 1 2 3 right here. So if it decides to go up and breaks my resistance, all I got to do is do the same thing, put my zone, mark my zone, and so I already know that, okay, if price should do break this, I have my take profit will be right here, and then I have another one. I have another one right there. I have take profit too, right there. So it's very, 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 very simple. Like I said, guys, it's not hard at all. When you're using this strategy, before you enter the market, make sure price is below the 50 EMA and the green line of the alligator crosses the other two lines downwards, and the awesome oscillator indicator is actually pointing, it's below the zero line, and you have your zones already. So your zones is actually going to be your last confirmation, be it for support or resistance. That's going to be your last confirmation. When you have your last confirmation, then you can enter the market. So guys, that's it for me, guys. Make sure you guys like this video, share this video, because it's going to help my YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Have a good day, guys.